Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Facebook Live. I'm Lauren. This is Maureen.
Hi, guys.
And please hop on and let us know that you're here. Comment away and say hello. We are here celebrating the launch of the beautiful summer issue of KIWI magazine.
Yay, it's finally summer.
I know, summer is here. We're almost in June and we can feel it. We're just very, very excited about summer and all things summer and warm weather, and we're just ready. It's been a long winter and we're ready.
Yes, it has.
Well, if you are new here and you haven't been on our Facebook Live before, let us tell you a little bit about Moms Meet. We're a large online community of moms, dads, grandparents, caretakers, all passionate about coming together to learn from one another and to lead happy and healthy lives and raise happy and healthy families. And we have some amazing resources available, and our sampling program is open to mom ambassadors, bloggers, and influencers. So it's free to join, and you get to try some amazing better for you products and then share your feedback with your mom friends, your social media followers, and your blog readers, and also with the companies that we work with. So it's a great resource, and if you're not already a member, hop on over to momsmeet.com, sign up for free, and try some amazing products. So again, our Facebook Live today is all about our KIWI summer issue, and KIWI is a magazine. It's a great resource for families looking for health and parenting advice. And you can check out this issue right on KiwiMagOnline.com or by going to the KIWI tab on momsmeet.com. And you can also access it on the issue mobile app. And Maureen is actually our editorial director of KIWI. So you know we love our giveaways on our Facebook Lives. Always exciting. And today we're going to be giving away 3 winners. We're going to be getting a copy of our Low Mess Crafts book, Low Mess Crafts for Kids. It's adorable. Really, really great idea. And we have a story in KIWI this month, or this season, called 3 Cool Crafts for Hot Summer Days. So we're going to be announcing 1 winner live on our Facebook Live today. The other 2 will be announced on Monday. And we just want to hear from you. So all you need to do is comment, like, share this video. And when you're commenting, let us know some of the fun things that your kids love to do on summer vacation. So besides driving you crazy, let us know the fun things that they enjoy. And again, we'll be announcing the 1 live winner today and then the 2 on Monday.
All right, awesome. All right, thank you so much, Lauren. So let's dive into the issue. This is our nutrition issue. So all of our stories kind of focus around nutrition and better health, and offer you some great recipes and some education with this issue. So I'm really pumped about all of the stuff that's in there for you. So I know usually in summer I feel more reinvigorated to get healthier. It's easier to be outside, eat fresh fruit. So this is a great complement to moving towards that healthy lifestyle. Okay, so one of our first stories that we are going to go over is called Demystifying Food Labels. So when you go to the grocery store and you're looking at the packaging, you might see something that says non-GMO. It might say free range, no hormones, no antibiotics added, organic, made with organic ingredients. And like after a while, you just start to get super confused about what do all of these labels and claims and certifications mean. So that's why in this issue of KIWI, we got all of the most common claims and certifications together, plus some really important new ones that are coming about regenerative agriculture. And Moms Meat even has a great seal of approval too. So we put them all together and kind of gave like a really easy guide to what each one of those means, so that when you go to the grocery store, you can be better informed and make better choices for your family based on how the food that you're about to eat was grown and processed.
So helpful and so needed.
Yeah, and I needed it myself. That's why I thought, let's just put it together for the magazine and kind of get one big great guide and put it out there. So definitely check that out and keep it handy when you go to the grocery store too. So that would be great. One of our next features is all about breastfeeding nutrition. So if you're a nursing mom or a mom-to-be who thinks that you're going to go in that direction, you might be wondering how your diet affects your baby. So I know that with my 7-month-old, I went to the pediatrician at first, and when you're pregnant, they tell you all these things you can't eat. But then she was like, you can eat whatever you want. And then I was like, oh, great. but what?
Right, exactly.
But what am I
Exactly.
supposed to
I
eat
know, you
now?
need some of that lines, yeah.
So, and it's really, really important to really focus on getting nutrient-dense foods. Lauren has breastfed. I'm currently in the middle of it, so it's definitely a story that hits close to home
for sure
in our office here. So for this story, we spoke with Alexandra Patel, a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and the owner of Thrive and Bloom Nutrition. So she supports women along their preconception, pregnancy, and postpartum journey, helping them figure out what's the best foods to eat and how to have a really healthy, nutrient-rich diet. So one of the most important things I think to get across is that not only is eating nutrient-rich foods good for your baby, but it's really important for yourself in your postpartum recovery. While you're pregnant and while you're breastfeeding, a lot of your nutrients go out to your baby and it goes to them first. So you might be depleting your resources if you aren't putting them back in through nutrient-rich foods. So eating a really healthy, nutrient-rich diet prevents deficiency, supports wound healing, tissue repair, and it helps with milk production, as well as helping your baby in all of the different ways. So you obviously know that healthy eating helps, but especially supporting optimal growth and development for your child, which is obviously number one for parents out there. So this issue is full of so many great tips and all of great resources on what to limit, what to avoid, kind of getting to the bottom of what galactagogues are, if you've heard of that, if you've ever worried about your milk production, you're kind of leaning in that way. Yeah.
I have been there.
Yes, I'm there. And then also kind of, she dispels a couple of breastfeeding myths that, you might have heard in the past. So it's really chock full of really great information for anyone who is looking to breastfeed, currently doing it, who knows someone who has.
Yeah, that's so important too. And it's nice to have it all in one place because I remember feeling I was so tired and it was just so hard to find all the information to compile it, and it's hard when you're exhausted to make sense of any information.
Absolutely.
And to try to really inform yourself, and so this is a great resource.
Yeah, and this isn't overwhelming. What I loved about Alexandra's advice was just that it's really holistic. It's kind of like over the top. It's not like you got to do this, and this. Right. It's just kind of like a way of being, a way of living. So it's really easy to start incorporating and thinking that way.
Yeah. No, that's amazing.
Okay, so while you're out there, if you were breastfeeding, let us know what kind of foods that you leaned on to get nutrients for yourself and for your baby, and what you ate and what you craved when you were pregnant. I know I eat a lot of avocado toast, trying to get eggs and healthy fats and things like that into my diet.
Yeah, I remember eating a lot of oatmeal.
Oh, I eat oatmeal every day. You're so right.
Yeah, I remember eating that a lot, but now I'm craving avocado toast. Well, those are some amazing suggestions, amazing ideas in that article. And definitely, like you're saying, just chock full of information. And if you're tired, just want one easy place to access it all. It's a great resource. And one of the other articles that I loved in this issue was the plant-based barbecue article, because I don't know if you're really into grilling in the summertime. Who isn't? It's just grilling season. But I just feel like we always go back to chicken and the poultry and the meats and just like the mainstays or just the traditional options. But it's just great to kind of move beyond that and try more of a plant-based barbecue, because you think summer and farmers markets and stocking up on your farmers markets picks and just color and vibrant food. So Karen Kelly of the Seasonal Cravings blog, which is beautiful, has given us 3 wonderful recipes, just incorporating sort of a plant-based cookout theme. So one is the grilled cauliflower tacos with avocado crema. So I was just thinking about that. You mentioned the avocado toast.
Oh, yeah.
Anything avocado. The other one, this is my personal favorite, is the grilled corn on the cob with chili lime dairy-free butter. How good does that sound?
It sounds good. And if you take one look at the recipes in the magazine, it's gorgeous, and you're going to want to make it this weekend.
Yeah, for sure. And then plus the cherry coconut popsicles. So just a nice little cooling off treat for you or for your kiddos.
And they're super simple to make, and you can make them all summer long for your kids and swap in different fruits. So it's really, these are all very easy to make, fresh ingredient recipes.
Yeah,
so.
very, very simple and accessible.
Yeah.
And I mean, the issue is just, it's beautiful, and there's tons of ideas, fun crafts to keep your kids occupied for the summer. If they're, out of school, you're wondering what things that they can do to kind of keep them away from, the screens and TV, the iPads. Some great suggestions. There's some books on environmentalism and some information about ocean-friendly sunscreens to pack for the beach, which I'm thinking about right now. Beach season. So yeah, just some beautiful articles, beautiful pieces, and we're so excited about the launch of this issue.
Yeah, all right. So definitely check out this issue. It is live now on the KIWI website, on the Moms Meet website. If you are a subscriber of our emails, you will be getting it into your inbox right now too, which is awesome. And then again, you can read it on the issue app too. So we are ready to announce our live winner. Thank you very much. Jean, yep. I apologize if I butchered your name. Jean Zamora. Okay, congratulations. You are our live winner, so you will be getting a copy of Low Mess Crafts for Kids, and you will have fun all summer long with your kids making these crafts. And then remember to keep sharing, liking, and commenting for your chance to win, and we'll select 2 more additional winners on Monday. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Have a great summer.
Happy summer.
Okay.